You how to buy a domain name with Squarespace. Getting a domain is one of the most exciting steps in creating your online presence. It gives your website a professional look, makes it easier for people to find you, and helps establish your brand identity right from the start. The first step is to access Squarespace. If you already have an account, head to their website and click Login. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. Once you reach the login page, you'll see options to sign in directly or to continue with Google. Using the Google option is convenient since it saves you from having to remember yet another password and allows you to get into your Squarespace dashboard quickly. After logging in, take a look at the main navigation at the top of the page. There you'll find the Domains tab. This section is essentially your control center for everything related to domains. Whether you want to purchase a new one or manage domains you already own, this is where you'll go. Click on the Domains tab to move into the next stage. Inside the Domains area, select Get a Domain. This is where the real fun begins. You'll see a search bar where you can type in the domain name you want. Spend a moment thinking about the name. Ideally, it should be short, easy to remember, and clearly connected to your brand or purpose. For example, if you run a photography business, including your name or the word photo can help people instantly understand what you do. Once you type your choice into the search bar, Squarespace will instantly check availability. If your first choice is already taken, don't worry. You'll see a list of close alternatives and variations. These suggestions are designed to help you still find something that works without straying too far from your original idea. You can browse through the list and see what feels like the best fit for your brand. When you've found the domain that feels right, go ahead and click Add to Cart. This will lock in your selection and bring you to the checkout process. Here you'll be asked to confirm the domain details and enter your payment information. Take your time to double-check everything. Spelling errors in a domain name can be costly and difficult to undo, so it's worth reviewing carefully before finalizing. After confirming your details and completing payment, the domain is officially yours. It will now appear under your Squarespace account, and you'll be able to connect it directly to your website. Owning a domain is more than just having a web address. It's the foundation of your online brand, and it gives your site a level of professionalism that makes visitors take you seriously. By purchasing your domain through Squarespace, you also simplify the process of linking everything together, since the domain and website hosting are managed in one place. This integration helps save time and reduces the chances of running into technical issues. And that's it. You now have your own domain name through Squarespace, and with it, you've taken an important step toward building a strong and lasting online presence.